Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Thyim, T-H-Y-I-M, is the name of an app that stands for They Help You in Minutes. It's a startup designed to bring together people who need services of all kinds, like washing a dog or the dishes and such, with people in the neighborhood who can do those kinds of jobs. Co-founder Stephen Buffamante.
Our company is kind of designed to provide services like a la carte, where like cleaning companies exist, but you can't be hiring someone just to wash your dishes. Helpers see requests within a certain range of them are able to get to you within or around 15 minutes.
The helpers have to go through background checks when they sign up. Them is initially available in the Apple App Store for customers in Michigan and parts of Georgia and Texas. There are plans to expand from there.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.